Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the attack drone and loadout that match the mission. Pick guided rockets for pinpoint strikes or smart bombs for area suppression. This choice determines how you approach targets. Once loaded, make sure to add basic countermeasures like ECM or flares if the drone supports them, but don't overload. Speed matters. Now spawn into a match type that permits drones and set your camera view to drone control. This gets you airborne faster and ready to act. You take control and immediately switch to the drone camera to gain situational awareness. Use a moderate altitude and shallow dive angle for rockets to reduce travel time. For smart bombs, align above soft targets and time your release. Once done, lock targets using onboard radar or manual aim and verify heading markers. Make short, deliberate attack passes rather than loitering. This lowers exposure. If a first shot misses, adjust lead and timing quickly. You complete the run by assessing damage and remaining ordnance. If the drone is still viable, set up another pass with corrected aim. If it's critically damaged, pull back and either RTB or swap to a teammate or plane to continue the fight. Make sure you conserve missiles and rockets. Prioritize armored or anti-air threats first, then soft targets. If controls feel laggy or prediction is off, reduce graphical load or toggle network prediction in settings to stabilize input and regain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.